The Cirque de Mafate is a caldera on Réunion Island. It was formed from the collapse of the large-shield volcano the Piton des Neiges. The very remote and inaccessible Cirque was settled in the 19th century by maroon slaves, then later by poor white laborers. It owes its name to one maroon leader. Geography. The Cirque is entirely enclosed by mountains, especially tall cliffs, known as ramparts, save for the sole river exiting the Rivière des Galets. Inside the Cirque, there are considerable declivities. The islets are pieces of more or less flat land on which the hamlets are located. The name Mafate comes from the Malagasy word mahafati, which means lethal, an allusion to the difficulty for accessing the Cirque. Population. The Cirque has one village, La Nouvelle, and several hamlets, Marla, Roche-Plate, the Îles aux Oranges, etc. The Cirque is entirely public property, managed by the Forestry Service, from which the inhabitants rent inexpensive concessions. There is no main electrical supply. Inhabitants thus produce their own electricity using solar panels, and occasionally diesel generators. However, fuel for the latter must be brought by helicopter at high cost. Because of the reduced available power supply, inhabitants systematically use low-consumption light bulbs. Similarly, all inhabitants use solar water heaters. These can be supplemented by gas-powered heaters, but gas canisters must also be brought by helicopter. Services. La Nouvelle and hamlets have grocery stores where staples can be bought. Typically, these stores also provide some limited bar and restaurant services. Many inhabitants have opened sheets where hikers can stay for the night, and often dine for a fee. La Nouvelle and several of the hamlets have elementary schools. In 2005, the school at Marla reopened with 6 pupils after being closed for an insufficient number of school children. There are no secondary nor higher education facilities. There are several dispensaries between which a few nurses rotate, as well as scheduled visits of a physician, but no permanent health care facilities. All emergencies have to be evacuated by helicopter. There is no gendarmerie station. Transportation. One originality of Mafate is that there are no roads. Because of this, it is a major attraction for hikers willing to experience some unspoiled nature, while still benefiting from grocery stores and other amenities. For this reason, with the impending creation of a national park on the heights of Réunion, it seems very unlikely that roads would be ever built. All access, including for supplies, is by foot or helicopter. There are a number of footpaths for accessing the Cirque, among which, by the Col des Buffs, from the Cirque de Sailly, leading to La Nouvelle. This way is the easiest, since there is a forestry road leading to parking lots at the pass. By the Col du Tibet from the Cirque de Sailly. By the canalisation des Oranges on the heights of St. Paul.